something fated is about to happen right here. This is my bartender at mukhang merong new beginning rito na tinitimpla at mukhang ito ang baso ng Two of Cups energy. At isa ito, nagaganto ko na lang mga babes na parang hindi na tayo gumamit rito no, ng pag-blurred ng images. Para sa white restrictions, this is the devil, no? Ayun, kung makikita nyo, devil yan, mga mahal, no? So, ibig sabihin, no, yan ay indikasyon na nakaka-addict itong klase ng pag-ibig na ito. Isa itong klase ng pag-ibig kung saan merong matibay na pundasyon or meron ditong isang tao na gusto ritong pagtibayan ang pundasyon ng inyong connection. Taray! Na natin, no? At mukhang clueless kayo na ganito yung naiisip nitong person na to sa inyo. And I can see someone here waiting for you. Yan, waiting. Waiting, pero parang feeling ko hindi na siya makapaghintay with this 7 of Coins energy na gusto niya na mag-invest dito ng emotions and feelings for you. Okay? Ano na naman to? Yan, ito na natin. Actually, yung vibe, no, is someone here na parang hindi mo ma-explain pero parang feeling mo in love itong person na to sa inyo. Yan, no? Yun ang pakiramdam ko rito. In love tong person na to sa inyo. Yan. Okay. Nahatak nyo siya kasi na nag-focus kayo sa self niyo. Yun. Ooh, lovers right off the bat. So, wow. 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 Sakto, babes. We're hearing that song. You know that song. It's a wedding song right here. So, sinong hindi nakakaalam nun? So, this person could possibly be wanting marriage with you. The song is dun sa part na I'll give my hand to you with all my heart. Can't wait to live my life with you. I can't wait to start. Someone here can't wait to start this lifetime with you. So wow. So let's see. This person is really actually waiting here. So, let's see more. Wow, this is a who is this? So, I'm picking up that this is someone here excited and can't wait. Di na makapaghintay na makapagsimula ng ganito no, sa inyo. This person with the Hierophant energy. Wanting serious commitment with you guys, wants to have this home. I'm hearing shelter right here, family with you. This is the energy of someone can't wait right here. Yan, no, na makapagsimula na kayo, makapag-start na tong connection na ito, na magkaroon na rito ng forever with you guys, makasama ka na niya, no, so hindi ko alam, so this could be someone here, but I don't think that this is an ex-person here because it gives me the vibe of a new energy, a fresh energy. Sino nakukuha natin dito? So, ilatag na muna natin yung this person right here really wants to build a legacy with you guys. No? At mas lalo siyang nai-in-love sa inyo rito. Collective kasi nakikita niya rito na meron kang soft heart, no? Matulungin ka, no? Nakikita niya na mapagmahal ka with your family, may concern ka sa iba, no? Hindi ka rito plastic, no? Yan, mga babes, no? Nakikita ko rito na itong tao na to mas na-fall sa'yo kasi parang meron kang pusong ina or parang meron kang pusong ama, meron kang ganun, parang meron ka ritong matured na approach sa lahat pero with a touch of sweetness, with a touch of softness, with a touch of very caring, very very genuine, very loving energy. Ikaw yun. Yan. This person is seeing you as that. Excuse me. Oh, diba? Hindi na siya makatulog dito ng maayos, hindi makapaghintay rito mga babes, no? Kasi baka maagaw or manakaw ka pa raw ng iba. So, this person is actually cannot sleep at night, no? Kulang yung tulog niya palagi rito kasi gusto niya rito magbigay ng emotions and feelings sa'yo. Hindi na siya makapag-wait rito mga babes. So, hindi ko na po si OMG. This is literally marriage indication, second marriage indication right here, wanting to start this something serious here with you. This person really wants you to be into his or her life here, wants to create this solid foundation together with this three of coins energy. This person is actually excited na ipakilala kanya sa kanya ritong parents. Sa kanyang parents, sa kanyang mga kapatid, no? Sa kanya ritong family, no? Sa kanyang community rito, no? Proud siya rito, excited siyang ipakilala ka, no? This person is really head over heels with you. This person is totally in love with you. Who is this person right here? Because this person gives me chills. Someone that cannot wait to be right beside you. Someone na hindi na makapaghintay rito, no, na makasama ka in this journey of his life here. This person is saying that meron siyang balance or nakakaramdam siya ng balance here with you. Yeah, that's what I'm picking. Or ikaw ang bumalanse, or ikaw ang nagbabalanse ng buhay niya. Hindi ka niya rito pakakawalan, hindi ka niya rito let go. I'm gonna hold on to my collective right here, and with this person is saying that you are his or her destiny. And no matter what, no, ang manibela ng buhay niya, no, ay paanda rin niya patungo sa'yo. Ay. Wow. So collective. Bago natin simulan itong reading ninyo, no, mga babes, no, reminders na dito for everybody. Pero kung feel mo na ang vibe at connection na to ay talaga naman, no, na talagang gumagapang, no, sa'yo ritong mga ugat, dugo, no, at sa spirituality, energetically, mga babes, no, then this reading might be really for you. Claim nyo na agad, receive nyo na agad. Napakaganda ng love story na nakikita natin dito. So, hi! Hello sa mga new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan. Welcome kayo dito sa community namin, no? Pasok dito mga babes, no? Pwede nyo din dito ang inyong barkada, loved ones, no? At mga people, favorite people ninyo sa life, no? Sa mga new and sa mga returning subscribers, I mean, thank you so much sa support ninyo, no? At pananatili sa tabi ko. Yan, no? Kinilig ka, no? Pero may mas nakakakilig pa dyan. Itong reading mo na to. So, ayan na, wala tayong gender dito at timeless ng mga babes, no? Pero meron dito hindi makapag-intay. This is a fresh energy right here, no? Fresh na energy. So, this is a new connection right here na pwedeng bago pa lang kayo. Or, this is the type of energy right here na paparating pa lang. This is a brand new energy, new love interest right here who wants marriage with you. This is the type of energy na hindi siya makapaghintay rito. Yes, this person is serious about you. I can see that with the Hierophant energy, this person is totally serious about getting this engage of you, no, sa kanya ritong life. Like, literally, no. Kumbaga sa sentensya, mga babes, no, sa kulungan, no, reclusion, no, perpetua. No, ang gusto niya mga babes dito, no, ang makulong siya rito sa piling ninyo. Antaray, no, reclusion perpetua ba yun? Tama ba? So, whatever the case may be, nakikita ko dito na gusto niyang makulong sa piling mo forever. Yan, no? So, wow! This person, doon ako niloka. Anong umpisa pa lang, mga babes, no? This is totally that energy of wanting here to have this wedding with you, to have this, not the wedding, not that ceremony, but the vow itself. This person has this promise of fulfilling his or her mga pangako with this. This is more than ceremony. This is more than celebration. This is more than gathering right here. This is all about that eternal love. That feeling this eternal love and infinity with you. Patutunayan niya na hindi lang ito basta sinabi ng bibig tong marriage vow na ito, kundi talagang lifetime na gusto kanyang makasama. Yes, even though this is a fresh new energy or a fresh new connection right here, this person can't wait, no? Yan, no, diba? Can't wait daw, no, to live his or her life with you. He or she can't wait to start. Yan, no, yung iba pwedeng nililigawan pa lang kayo nito pero nakikita niya na agad no yung future niya with you. So how come, 'di ba? Na sobrang in love itong tao na to sa inyo because there's a deep spiritual soul connection. This is my Two of Cups energy. Two people right here, no, na pwedeng matagal na kayo rito, pakiramdam ninyo, nagkakilala na kayo, may encounter na kayo rito, familiar kayo rito, no, sa soul ng isa't isa. And there could also be high chance that you've already encountered and already had this relationship in your past lives. Yan, no? So, I can see that this person right here with that song can't wait daw, diba? And this person, no, ibibigay niya sa inyo yung kanya ritong hand, no, with all of his or her heart. So, this person, no, is parang sinasabi niya na parang ginaganyan niya yung kamay niya sa inyo mga babes, no, na parang kunin mo lang, no, yung kamay niya, no, at sumama ka sa kanya, no, and he or she will take you here to forever, no. It's like this is you, na parang two hands na parang i-approach, no, isa't isa, na, and there's this love, and yeah, yan, no, baby, let's cruise, Santaray, no. Ang buong ganun, no. So, nakikita ko dito mga babes, na that this is the feeling, no, na hindi mo talaga na-imagine at all, yan, no. Kasi this is you, na hindi ka doon nabubuhay, no, sa parang imagination. Yun ang huwag sa energy mo eh. This is you, na hindi ka makakapaniwala dito. Okay, mga babes, no. Na, kasi, pwede kasing hindi mo to inaasahan. Like, literally, this is unexpected connection, no. Or this is you, na never mo naman na-imagine na makakatanggap ka ng ganito. Pero there you go, no. Pinagpala ka, mga babes, no, sa lahat. Kaya nakikita ko rito, no, na talagang ito yung klase rito ng energy that you will really get swayed by your feet with whoever is this, because this person will actually eventually offer his or her hand to you. Natanggapin mo, no, hawakan mo lang yung mga kamay ko rito at ako nang bahala rito. Dadalhin kita sa forever. Yan, no. Taray. So, yun na nakikita ko rito mga babes, no, napaka-exciting nito for you guys, no, and there you go, we also have here the Six of Cups, no, second confirmation that this is totally here, no, na soul to soul ang interaction ninyo. Spirituality is like telepathically, no, naramdaman mo na tong person na to, no, na meron dito parang something strong, but you can trust that energy. Yan. So, nakikita ko dito na mas napapall in love siya sa'yo rito dahil pwedeng malambot ang puso mo, mapagbihal ka or mapagbigay ka, matulungin ka rito, no? And you are someone here na maaasahan, no? Pwedeng ikaw pa kayo nagtutulong, nagkukusang magtulong na, ayun mo matutulong ko sa inyo dyan, no? Yung parang kunwari, example, no? Pauwi na sa trabaho, no? Ligpitan time na, no? Samantalang yung iba doon, nagkakagulo kasi may problema, no? Lari nasira yung fax machine or yung photocopier, no? And then, ikaw yung nakakaalam, no? This is you na, kahit uwian na, no? Parang, ay, ano nangyari dyan? May concern ka pa rin sa iba, no? To the point, ay, ako marunong ako niyan, wait na, sige, urong ka lang muna doon, yan, no? Ayan, aayusin mo yun kahit ikaw, mga babes, no? Hindi ka naman involved doon, no? And this person sees that. This person knows your heart, no? At saka na-in-love siya sa'yo rito dahil sa puso mo, dahil sa karakter mo, dahil sa personalidad mo, no? Hindi dahil sa magpapaalaga siya sa'yo. Kundi dahil gusto niya rito, mga babes, no, na mapunta sa kanya rito, no, ang isang napaka very loving, very genuine, very caring person na ikaw yon. Yan, no, ibig sabihin, no, this person feels so lucky right here, no, to have you in his or her life. Kaya dito hindi na siya makatulog with this 9 of Swords energy kasi gusto niya na mag-start rito sa connection na to here with you. Gusto niya na tong merge na to with you. If you are already in a relationship with this person wants to be ang tawag na to, gusto niya na magkaroon kayo dito ng pag-lock, no, sa isa't isa, no, to the point na you will be married with each other, no, like wala na, no, bawal na rito ang makisingit, no, ng mga iba pang mga energies kasi nasa akin na to si collective, no, wala na, no, doon na kayo, doon. Parang gano'n yung sinasabi niya rito. Wow! Someone here don't want to let go of this connection, no? And don't want to miss this opportunity here with you. This person is claiming na bumalanse daw yung buhay mo dahil sa'yo. Bumalanse yung buhay niya dahil sa'yo. So, it looks like you've helped this person right here. And mukhang hindi mo alam na natulungan mo siya. Like, clueless ka at all. So, baka binigyan mo siya ng advice na may pinagdadaanin siya rito, bongga. Sa kanya, sobrang hirap na nung sitwasyon na yon, no? Sa'yo, pwedeng feeling mo, ang liit lang nung naitulong mo, no? Feeling mo advice lang. Or basta may ganun eh, na naitulong ka or nagawa ka sa buhay niya, no? Na parang ikaw yung tumulong sa kanya rito na mabalance niya mabalance niya rito yung life niya, yung situation niya right here. So yeah, this person is definitely seeing you as his or her destiny. So wow, I love it. No? Hindi ko alam kung para kanino to, pero nakuha ko dito ng mga energies na deserve nyo talaga itong mga mahal, no? I-claim nyo ito, no? Kasi yun talaga yun. If you feel the vibe, and you feel that you deserve this, then claim this, honey, no? This is for you, sweetheart. So, yan, no? Claim it, mga mahal, no? Claim this beautiful love story right here for you. This is unimaginable, beyond your imagination right here. And there you go. You're gonna have this. Wow. So, thank you so much, Collective. Sarang Love and Light. 안녕.